Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with the Planning City subscription box for June, and I haven't even peeked. So let me open this up. And then pull everything out. So the first thing that we have is a hand cream. It says find your happy place, sun-kissed ocean waves, sea salt and water blossom. We're gonna smell this, which has a little foil thing on it. Oh, it smells really good. So that is super cute. And then we have some goldfish crackers to go with the fish theme. We have a can cozy that says drink in my hand, toes in the sand. That's super cute. And then here is a journaling card. So super cute. And then we have, excuse me, some gorgeous washi. Has palm trees and seagulls on it. So super cute washi. We have a gel pen in this pastel purple. Super cute. And then we have our envelope that has the kit in it for this week. Or this month, I should say. So, love the envelope, always do. Here is the June 2022 freebie. Has Father's Day pool party, 4th of July. And then here is some photo boxes with the girls. I love the double box. It says hello summer. Then we have days of the week and glitter headers and some functional boxes, some flags, and some habit trackers. Here is the washi checklist, some more headers, Monday through Sunday. Then we have some deco, some functional boxes, some more headers, weekend banner, paydays. And then we have another sheet of washi and days of the week with a like silver hollow foil. We have the foiled date dots. And we have another weekend banner, some scripts, and some icons. Here is some foiled deco. We get a larger sticker of the ocean, the clouds, and the sand. And then we get some functional boxes with one sheet of them being the glitter boxes. This kit is called Beach Day. And then we get the bow headers. So, super fun kit. I'm actually very impressed this month with this kit. This whole box, actually. She does such a great job with her boxes. So yeah. I have one more subscription to go through, so be on the lookout for that in the next couple days. And I will be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.